examples on associative property of integers. Let's consider the value of each tamarind seed as -3. If we make 12 groups of 5 seeds each, then what is the total value of the seeds? Here 12 groups of 5 seeds each are formed. The total number of seeds can be found by finding the value of 12 multiplied by 5. The value of each seed is -3. To find the total value of the seeds, we need to multiply 12 multiplied by 5 with -3. Since integers are associative over multiplication, we can group the numbers in any order to multiply them. Here, we can make a group of -3 and 12, or we can make a group of 12 and 5. If we make a group of -3 and 12 and find the product, we get the result -180. If we make a group of 12 and 5 and find the product, then also we will get the same answer. Can you tell me why did this happen? Think for a while. Absolutely correct. Because integers are associative over multiplication. Grouping the numbers in any order gives us the result -180. That means the total value of the tamarind seeds is -180. Next example. The amount deposited in a bank's ledger is represented by a positive integer and the amount withdrawn is represented by a negative integer. Dinesh has an account in the bank. Few days back, Dinesh's account had a total balance of Rs 3,589. He deposits Rs 1,325 in his account on Monday. After few days, he withdraws Rs 4,575 from his account to buy agricultural products. What is the amount left in his account? Dinesh had Rs 3,589 in his bank account, which is represented in the bank's ledger as plus 3,589. He deposited Rs 1,325 on Monday, which will be represented in the ledger as plus 1,325. Few days later, he withdraws Rs 4,575 from his bank account, which is represented in the ledger as minus 4,575. To find the balance amount in his account, we need to add the three amounts. Since integers are associative over addition, we can group the numbers in any order to add them. Here, we can make a group of 3,589 and 1,325, or we can make a group of 1,325 and minus 4,575. If we make a group of 3,589 and 1,325 and solve this example, then the result is 339. If we make a group of 1,325 and minus 4,575 and solve this, then also we will get the same result, that is 339. Therefore, the balance amount in Dinesh's bank account is represented by plus 339. Today we have seen examples on associative property of integers. In the next video, we will clear misconceptions related to it.